Today I'm going to do a compare and contrast of these two heavy duty Christmas tree storage bags. This one right here is by Holiday Cheer, and then this one over here is by Santa's Bags. They both have great pros and cons about each one, and we're going to deep dive and go into the features of both of them. This is the Holiday Cheer Christmas tree bag. It holds up to a 9-foot tree. It has two handles right here that you can carry the bag with. The handles are even big enough to fit on your shoulders. It also has a label spot right here, so if you wanted to label where this Christmas tree goes, you can do that right there. There is also this handy pocket on this side with the zipper, so if you had, say, screws, extra light bulbs, instructions on setting it up, extra power cords, or whatever you need, you can store it right here. It is plenty big. Plenty big. I just have the instructions for this tree in there. There are two handles on both sides. One here, and then one here. This is made of a heavy duty material, and I know this would last a long, long time. And then over here, we have the Santa's Bag Christmas tree storage bag. This one also holds up to a 9-foot tree and is massive. Both of these bags are massive. This one has a zipper that goes all the way around. When you open it up to put a Christmas tree in there or get one out, it has this huge open space for you to work with. The bag is not folding in on itself. It makes it nearly hassle-free. This one also has these buckles in here so you can strap in your tree so it's not flopping around and getting damaged. It also has a spot to label where this Christmas tree goes or whatever you need a label there. A particular fancy feature about this Christmas tree bag is that it also has wheels. It makes it easy and convenient to move around your house, as well as handles on both ends of the bag. And right there. So in all honesty, there's really not any pros and cons about each one. In my opinion, they just both come with different features. They're both massive, they're both heavy duty, they both will do the job, they both hold the same size of trees. Though this one does ultimately just look bigger. It looks longer, but they both claim to hold 9-foot trees. This one does not have wheels, but it does have this big pocket on the back side. This one does not have the pocket, but it does have the wheels. So I hope you found this video helpful in determining should you get this bag or this bag when you are looking at the Christmas tree storage bags online. They're both great. They're both going to do the job. It's just which features are more important to you. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.